One could make the argument that without struggle, you'll never achieve success. It is like the caterpillar that cocoons itself to one day become a butterfly. We've all heard the story before that the man watches this, observes as it cocoons itself. And as it starts to crack and work its way out, he thinks he's actually helping, and he walks over and he just opens up the top, making it easier for this new butterfly to get out of the cocoon. But of course, we know what happens. Because the butterfly doesn't struggle, because the butterfly doesn't have to work its way through the process, the blood never gets to the bottom of those beautiful wings. And guess what? In his attempt to help, he actually kills the tiny little creature. The struggle is a part of success. The struggle is a part of the process. You are the butterfly. So if right now you feel like you're struggling, you're fighting to get through this marketplace, I say, congratulations. The struggle is a part of the process. It's a part of being successful. So what do? You continue to fight. You continue to push. You continue to go for the things that you know work. You keep doing the things that give you the power. And then guess what happens eventually? Your wings open. And that's success.